Welcome to today's video where we explore the world of campervans and how to choose the right size for your travels across Europe. With a myriad of options available, finding the perfect campervan size can significantly enhance your road trip experience. But why is this decision so critical? Let's dive in and find out. We are Xavier and Caroline, and we toured Europe for 2 years in a motorhome, all while working and earning a living. During this trip, we gained experience and some tips to both discover countries but also earn enough money to protect ourselves from the future. So don't hesitate to subscribe to our YouTube channel, but also to our other networks where we provide free useful content on van life and digital nomadism. And now let's go back to our content. Before we explore the various sizes, you might wonder, how does one decide on the best campervan size? Well, this decision is influenced by several factors, including the number of travelers, the nature of your trips, and, of course, your budget. Today, we're going to look at each of these factors in detail. When considering the size of your campervan, the first thing to look at is your family or travel group. More people means more space needed for sleeping and living comfortably. Ask yourself, what type of trips do you usually take? Short getaways might only need a compact campervan, while long adventures or full-time van life might require more space and amenities for comfort. And let's not forget about the budget. Larger campervans cost more, not just to buy, but also to maintain. Now that we've looked at the personal considerations, how do these choices stack up against each other? Let's compare the different campervan sizes to help you make an informed decision. Starting with small models, these are fantastic for couples who value flexibility during their travels, especially in urban settings. Medium-sized campervans offer a great balance, providing more living space without being too difficult to maneuver. And for those who prioritize comfort and are planning longer stays, large campervans provide ample space and luxurious amenities. From our own experience, starting with a 6-meter campervan proved ideal for us as beginners. It's compact yet surprisingly spacious, perfect for easing into the van life. Over time, as we became more accustomed to the lifestyle, moving to a slightly larger model made sense. Speaking of experiences, have you ever wondered what long-time van lifers think about their campervan sizes? Let's hear some real-life stories from those who have lived this adventure. Each campervan size offers unique advantages. Those with smaller models often talk about the art of maximizing every inch of space. On the other hand, those in medium campervans appreciate the adaptability of their space, which can be easily transformed depending on the need. And for those in large models, the added comfort and space make it feel like a home away from home, especially with the option to extend their living area outdoors. But choosing a campervan isn't just about comfort and convenience, it's also important to consider the environmental impact. Larger campervans, for example, consume more fuel. So how do we find a balance? Opting for more fuel-efficient vehicles, practicing eco-friendly habits, and staying longer in one place can all help minimize your ecological footprint. In conclusion, selecting the right size for your campervan is a multifaceted decision that impacts not only your comfort but also your environmental footprint. It's about finding that perfect balance to ensure an enriching and responsible travel experience. And speaking of travel experiences, why not consider turning your campervan into a source of income? Stay tuned for our upcoming video on how to rent out your campervan for extra income. Don't forget to follow, comment, and subscribe to Vantour for more insightful content on embracing the van life. Until next time, happy travels!